Charles Fuchs, Wonderful Wildlife, 1, 2, 3. One lonely badger, 2 helpful whales, 3 friendly seabirds, singing songs and telling tales, 4 froggy eyes, 5 buzzy flies, 6 little tadpoles watching their mommies with surprise, 7 hungry birds, 8 worms that wiggle, 9 hyenas see a sight that makes them laugh and giggle, 10 fearful fruit bats, 11 worried rats, 12 lazy meerkats using rats and bats as mats, 13 ants encourage, 14 naughty moths, 15 holes have ruined Miss Panda's tablecloth, 16 Bigfoot footprints, 17 Yeti tracks, 18 cheeky chickmunks chucking snowballs at their backs, 19 wise old owls, 20 what? 20 different dinosaurs. And that is all you got. The end.